back to my channel. I have been long time didn't record video long, and today I am playing Adopt Me because of the update, and I really want that Robo dog, and I do have enough Robux, and I'm thinking, should I buy it because it's super adorable. And let's press on it. Yes. Yes. I'm so excited. Like I've never seen it by myself. And let's check it out. Oh my god, I already see it. So adorable. Wait, where's the service? Wow, it's right there with the kid's name. Robo dog is 300 Robux. Super expensive. But I really want it. It's so cute and it's legendary. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna buy it. But I still have this much of Robux. Let's find out. Yeah. Oh my god. This is so good. Feeling have some legendary pet. So cute. Look at it. This is so cute. I never spend Robux on any pets. Just the fly ride potion, not other things. This is so cute. I love it. And now I have another legendary pet. Yeah. Now I have 2 legendary, and it's so cute. If I have more Robux, I would give one to you guys. But I only have enough for one. So here it is. I couldn't get one more for one of you guys. Sorry. But I love this so much. But I do remember I have a fly potion or ride potion in my inventory. Let me see. Look at the food. Come on, please have. Yeah, I do have it. Ride potions. I don't think I'm gonna do on it. Let me just think about it. But guys, I don't think there is more updates besides this cutie Robo dog. Wait, I'm gonna look at the pet accessories. Let's teleport to the hat shop. There. Let's teleport. And here we are. I don't think there's new things for Christmas or things. Well, that is okay because I'm just coming to collect a free pin. They're all so cute. What would it be on my cutie here? What does it match? I don't think it match any of them. But I'm just gonna collect. This is cute. Yes. Let me try it on him though. Let's see. Aw, he's cute. But guys, there's new items in 3 days. Are you serious? I don't know if there's anything else. In this update, let me see at the shop. Nothing new, just a Robo dog. Yes. I love Robo dog. So cute. And guys, I have my avatar in Christmas outfit. Not this one in Adobe. I'm talking about this real one. I couldn't find myself now. There. It's here. And let's feel it. This is my avatar. I have my pizza shirt on and my reindeer outfit. And yeah, guys, if you really want to be right now, like, I already gave away this a long time ago and no one ever comment their username under down below. And if you want it, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification. I'm working on my Gacha Life mini movie part 3, guys. Do not worry, I'm making it right now. And I will make a next video someday, someday later, because I don't have much time now. And bye. Bye, 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 bye. Well, I don't have to say that much bye, right? What's this? Nothing. Well, bye. As real this time.